Ordering directly from the factory can be a great option if you're looking for a special custom car, like an orange Pearl Civic with a sweet underbody spoiler. What's even better is you can still negotiate the purchase price. The process just takes a little effort. If you're trying to order a car directly from a factory, know that your negotiating power isn't gone. At least, not necessarily. Some car manufacturers, like Tesla, require buyers to order online. You'll typically order right from the company website, pay a reservation or order fee, and wait for your car to arrive. In these cases, the sale price may be fixed, but even if it's not, there will be less opportunity, if any, for negotiation. Other manufacturers allow you to place a factory order through a dealership. So just as if you bought the car the traditional way, you can shop around. In this instance, you'll usually have more room for negotiation. Start by designing your dream car on the manufacturer's website, then print a copy of your masterpiece that includes its MSRP. Then follow these steps to begin the negotiation process. First, you should get an idea of how much you can afford to spend. Figure out how much of a down payment or deposit you can make, and contact different lenders to see what loan amounts and interest rates you qualify for. Next, head to the local dealership or make an appointment. Explain to them that you're looking to get a custom car and tell them that you have a printed build and price sheet. Ask the dealer for the total cash price of the vehicle, including fees, if you were to order from them. Let them know that you're looking at prices from multiple dealerships. Negotiate with the salesperson however you see fit. Leverage the quotes you've received from other dealerships if applicable, or start by offering 5% less than the initial stated price. Consider the salesperson's counteroffer, but if you're not getting the deal you expected or you're discovering that the vehicle is too expensive, it's completely acceptable to walk away. If all goes well and you can agree on a fair price, sign the paperwork, ask for copies, and pay your deposit. Then kick back, relax, and wait for your shiny new ride to arrive. Congratulations on your custom factory order and your impressive negotiation skills. For more information about saving money on car ownership, head to getjerry.com.